Hello students, today we are going to discuss how commercial bank create money. I told you there are three suppliers of money in the economy, that is RBI, government and commercial bank. RBI and government print currency and supply money in the economy. But commercial bank don't have any authority to create money and print currency in the economy. So how commercial bank will be treated as a money supplier? By creating money by the way of demand deposit. There is a process by which process commercial bank create money, which I taught you in previous session. In today's session, we are going to discuss how commercial bank create money through an example. There is a process. First, bank receive cash deposit, that is known as primary deposit. Bank accept checks and credit also, that is also known as secondary deposit. Primary deposit plus secondary deposit, that is known as demand deposit. Demand deposit, it means demand deposit of the people with the commercial bank, which they can withdraw any time on demand, that is known as checkable deposit also. By writing a simple check, they can withdraw their amount. Clear? Now, bank have to keep reserve with them for future security, which rate is decided by RBI. Commercial bank has to calculate cash reserve on demand deposit, which reserve they have to maintain with RBI, that is known as cash reserve. After deducting cash reserve, it means demand deposit minus reserve, whatever amount is left, that is given to loan to the borrowers by the commercial bank. By which way commercial bank create money supply in the economy. Now let me explain you with an example. Suppose a deposit 10,000 rupees cash into the bank, because it is a cash deposit, that's why it is known as primary deposit also. Primary deposit as well as secondary deposit, both the deposit are known as demand deposit. Clear? Now bank, in same example, bank maintain 10% reserve on demand deposit. Clear? Now from this example, how bank create money, how bank do money supply in the economy. First of all, bank receive how much cash? 10,000 rupees cash deposit from A. Clear? Bank maintain reserve on this demand deposit. How much reserve? 10%. Now calculate 10% on 10,000. How much you are going to get? 1,000. Clear? Now remaining amount 10,000 minus 1,000, that is reserve which is kept by the commercial bank with RBI. That is minimum cash reserve which is decided by the RBI. All commercial bank have to maintain that reserve and keep it with RBI. How much remaining amount left? That is 9,000 rupees. Suppose these 9,000 rupees bank given loan to borrower. Suppose the borrower name is B. They have given, commercial bank given this 9,000 rupees as a loan to B. But bank never give 9,000 rupees in terms of cash. It has to be given in form of credit or in form of check. Clear? So, if B want to get 9,000 rupees cash, B has to deposit this check into the bank. Suppose B deposited check. How much check? 9,000 rupees check into the bank. Clear? That is known as a secondary deposit. Which kind of deposit? Secondary deposit. Now bank is going to maintain 10% reserve again on this deposit, because secondary deposit is also known as demand deposit. Now 9,000 into 10 divided by 100. How much reserve it will be? 900. Clear? Now bank is going to maintain this reserve with RBI. Clear? Remaining amount 9,000 minus 900. How much remaining amount? 8,100. That bank is going to give loan to any borrower. Suppose the borrower name is C, in form of cash or in form of credit or in form of check. Suppose bank has given check. Again C is going to deposit this check with commercial bank. So commercial bank again maintain reserve on it and remaining amount given to any borrower. This process continue till total money creation is not created. How we are going to calculate ki how much money calculated, how much money created by the commercial bank? Which formula I have already given you, but I am explaining it again. How total money created by the total money creation by the commercial bank. How we can calculate? 1 upon RR into 100 into cash deposit. RR it means reserve rate. 1 upon 10 into 100 into how much cash deposit by the bank, by the A, that is 10,000 rupees. Clear? Now calculate how much amount you are going to get. 1 lakh rupees. It means how much amount, total amount created by the commercial bank? 1 lakh rupees. Clear? Now, how many times commercial bank can do the transaction, which is known as money multiplier? It means how many times commercial bank can maintain the money supply, which can be calculated by money multiplier, and it is denoted by K. The formula of that, 1 upon RR into 100. 1 upon 10 into 100. How many times? 10 times. Clear? It means from 10,000 commercial bank create how much amount? 1 lakh. And how many times commercial bank can do transaction? 10 times. Let me explain with an statement. For that you have to make 4 columns. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First, deposit. Second, reserve. Third, loan, which you will be able to understand very easily. First round. In first round, A deposited how much amount? Cash deposit how much amount? 10,000 rupees. How much keep bank as a result? 10%. Calculate 10% on 10,000. How much it will be? 1,000. Remaining amount 10,000 minus 1,000. How much will be left out? 9,000. Which commercial bank given loan to? Be in form of credit or in form of check. Clear? If B want to get cash, B has to deposit this check into the bank. That is second round. B deposited check into the bank. How much check? 9,000. This is also known as demand deposit. Now bank create reserve on 9,000, that is 900. How much amount left out? 8,100. That has to be given to one borrower as a loan. That name is C, in form of check or in form of credit. Clear? If C want to get a cash, C has to deposit this into the bank. C deposit check into the bank 8,100. Clear? 810. How much amount will be left? Clear? Now bank is going to give this amount to any borrower D, E, F, G, H. Now you are not supposed to calculate all the entries. What you have to do? You have to write here 4th, 5th, 6th till 10. You have to write. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By formula I told you how many total amount created by the bank. Total amount how much created by the bank? 1 lakh. Clear? How much reserves is maintained by the bank? Calculate 10% on 1 lakh. How much it will be? 10,000. I hope all of you are able to calculate. How to calculate? Calculate 10% on 1 lakh, 10,000. How much amount to be left out? That is 1 lakh minus 10,000, that is 90,000. You can see very easily from 10,000 bank able to create how much amount? 1 lakh rupees. By which way commercial bank create money in the economy. That's why commercial bank are also known as money creator, money supplier in the economy. For understanding better, you just go through your book and read it so that you will be able to understand the concept. Thank you.